Oh no, I messed up. You're telling me I didn't cut this in a straight line. Oh my god.
Forcier, Forcier.
Okay, I already know all the different thought processes watching this video. I already know, okay? Listen, I'm going into this knowing this is not gonna go well, okay? But hear me out. Since over 2.5 years ago, when my hair loss video story blew up and I got a YouTube career, I cannot do anything with my hair without people getting mad at me. Like, I can't do anything. But guys, listen, in that time, it's ridiculous for me not to get a haircut. Huh? Haircuts are good. Haircuts do good things, okay? Everyone gets haircuts. Now, the difference today that I understand is that I am not professionally doing this. I am cutting my hair by myself at home with scissors I got from Walgreens. Surprisingly, this was the only thing still in Walgreens. Today is the day. We're doing it. It's my time to shine. I have watched exactly 0 tutorials and I've done 0 research, as I do. Oh, but these are nice. Look at these. Yeah. Let's be honest. I don't have a game plan here, but I had this idea. If I put my hair in 2 different ponytails, yeah, right? I could then start. Is that wrong? Like, I could start like this, yeah? Get a little trimsy. And then when it's all apart, it'll be the same. I think that's how that works. People cut their hair in ponytails. I've seen that happen. Now, was it on a hairdresser react? Probably. And was that wrong? Probably. The alternative is me going like this. This is for your entertainment, and this is for my... This is just for my entertainment too, really, pretty much. Long-term goal, all my hair is the same length. We'll just keep this going out, and then we'll just keep going like this. So then it's like this, and then it's like this. Like this. Let's do this thing. Oh, I don't think this is gonna work too well, guys. Cause like, the back is gonna be pulled this way, and then it's just gonna be shorter in the front and longer in the back. But at least that's easier to fix, right? Is that easier to fix? Yeah. Oh, it's thick on this side. It's thick, but if she backs it up, is it fat enough? The world may never know. My neighbors are having a little party outside, as they literally always do. First off, a vibe. Am I right? Second, I don't know about this anymore. Maybe I was wrong about this move. I don't really care. You guys, it's not like my head's gonna get shaved again. And even then, I still don't even care. So, nothing can go wrong here. And Logan, who cut my hair in November. Logan, was it November or October? October, yeah. Last time Logan cut my hair, turned out pretty fine. You know, clearly it's all the same level, length. I'm like doing home improvements now. Still the same level. Let's do it. Like a ½ an inch maybe. I don't even know how to hold scissors right. Oh yeah. Oh, we're killing it. Oh no, I messed up. Oh no, I could feel it. Wow. Okay, let's keep going. Let's section it again. Okay, we'll just keep sectioning it. That sounds like that would work. I got 4 of these. There's so many things we could do. Oh my god, did I do that? Did I do that? No, that wasn't me. This back one is still touching my shoulder, and I don't want that to happen. So I'm just gonna keep going. I can hear everyone screaming. You guys are like, no, Hannah, don't. Some people do this, right? Some people literally do this. Yo, my mom cuts her hair at home. I don't know how she does that. I feel like I'm not doing anything. I see it in the bag, but like, where is she going? Where is she coming from? We'll just go like this. Yeah. Oh, that was it. That was the move. The move. Oh, a little strand right there. Let's see how we did. How is she? Oh. I have curly hair at the end of the day. Like, I can just leave my hair curly forever. I never have to straighten it ever again and no one would ever be able to tell. I want it to be like here. Let's just cut. That's not bad. I was positive the ponytail thing would have worked. Maybe I should just hold it here. Yeah, so now it should all be the same. Yeah, now it should all be the same and I'm just gonna go like this. Yeah? That's the plan. Okay. Come in, just come in slowly. Do you think it looks good?
I can't really tell.
Same. I feel like I haven't done anything. I've barely scratched the surface. And I'm just gonna cut it. Yeah, I feel really good about this one. Why are you laughing? You don't think I did it? Oh, man. Why? I need to keep going though. We'll just do this back part. Yeah. No, that wasn't it. Oh, I was looking at this. Oh, well, it's still longer in the bag, so let's just grab this. Take a seat. Logan's here to watch this masterpiece happen and then to fix it after. Where's Brad? Where is he? He's probably in quarantine. Brad? Brad? No. No advice? I thought that worked. I thought that worked with angels. Just watch. She's not gonna watch this video. I can't see it. Like, I can't see what's wrong. I see that this is longer. I just don't know how to grab it right. Is it not going like this?
Oh, it is.
Now I see why people do this with wet hair, because it like stays in one spot. Yeah, I don't know about this one. Imagine if I cared. Oh my gosh. I think it's kind of cute. I feel like, what's her name? Ava, the one that, oh, she's sweet but a psycho. Little bit psycho. Do you know that song? No, look at it sideways. I'm just gonna. No, I feel like this is where I go wrong.
It's because it's even when you tilt your head like that.
Oh! Maybe I just won't even look. I'm clearly just winging it to the max right now. I'm really relying on Logan's skills at the end of this. All I know is that I wanted it like a half an inch shorter. Do you think I did more?
I'm sure it's a bit more than half an inch.
A bit more? Like how much? It already had layers. I'm trying to fix it.
I know. I think you created some.
You think I made more layers?
Yes.
That's
Not
impossible.
even, no.
You're telling me I didn't cut this in a straight line.
Yeah.
It's not as short as I want it. I didn't want it touching here. I just don't know where to fix it now. I think that one did it.
That one, yeah.
That one really
fixed the whole thing.
I thought so. This is a small screen. I can't tell.
I missed completely.
This is serious, okay? They said leave it to the professionals, and I said no. For as long as they sell hair scissors at Walgreens, I will cut my hair. Should I just get the electric razor out?
Back up a little bit. You missed the bag completely.
No! All I've ever wanted was a job at Supercuts. Here's the thing. I am so down to mess up for learning purposes. Clearly at this point. I still think it could be shorter. Oh, that's cute. Now that I feel like it's at the length that I want. Let's see how good we did on this side. Oh my god. Oh my god, I didn't. Oh my god, I didn't.
I want to cut half an inch off.
It is half an inch. How's the back look? It's really bad. Are you telling me it's not good? I'm sick of your criticizing.
You asked.
Well, I feel like this was very successful. I don't know what to do now. Time to try to fix it. I think that did it. I don't know if this is really working out in my favor, you guys. Maybe I shouldn't have done this. How's the back look now?
Why would it look any different if I touch the back?
Oh, I didn't? I just go like this. No? Are you begging me not to? I think I am done because I can't tell what to do next. Do you want to come fix this for me? Honestly, I couldn't tell what I was doing the whole time. So, I suppose you can see better than I can. You do it. Take it away, Logan.
2,000 years later.
And we are done. Ooh, 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 ooh. Look at it. I swear, it was like here. Good job, Logan. Beautiful work. I want to be honest here. I think I did the majority of the work. Logan he just cleaned it up a little bit, but I really did all of this. Yeah. I am just so beyond excited to be able to have the same length hair. One day. It's coming. I feel it. All part of the plan. I probably gave you guys a heart attack throughout this whole video, so thank you so much for not dying. And if you are new, make sure to click the subscribe button because I do things all the time. Make sure to check out my last couple of videos if you have not. So that's it. My hair is now like this, and I like it, and I love it, and I want some more of it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Oh my god, did I do that? Did I do that? No, that was